TikTok shutdown in the USA, save your business, and thrive in 2025. Step-by-step guide to protect your TikTok content, find a new platform, and grow your business beyond TikTok. TikTok is shutting down in the USA, but that does not mean your business has to. In this video, I will guide you through the exact steps to save your TikTok content before it is too late. Transition your business to new platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Adapt your strategy to thrive in 2025 and beyond. We will tackle common challenges like losing your audience or feeling overwhelmed. And I will show you how to turn this setback into your biggest opportunity for growth. Here is what you will learn. How to back up your TikTok videos and data. The best alternatives to TikTok for your business, strategies to maintain and grow your audience on new platforms, tips to create a future-proof business model. Pro tip: diversifying your content strategy now can set you up for massive success later. If you are ready to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to like, subscribe, and join my coaching program for expert guidance. Together, we will make 2025 your breakthrough year. Do not forget to share this video with anyone who needs to pivot their TikTok strategy. Let's keep your business thriving, no matter what happens. Imagine yourself in a bright, colorful studio with a TikTok logo in the background, with upbeat music plays in the background. Hey friends! Big news, TikTok is officially shutting down in the USA this Sunday. Gasp! I know what you are rethinking. What happens to my business? My followers? All those hours I spent perfecting those trending dances. Do not panic, we are in this together. In today's video, I will show you how to save your data and content, where to take your TikTok business next, and how to keep thriving in 2025. From downloading your videos to finding the perfect new platform, we will break it all down step by step. Let's get started. Section 1. Saving your TikTok data and content. The problem: your precious content, months, maybe years, of hard work is at risk of disappearing into the digital abyss. The solution: download your data. TikTok allows users to request a full download of their data, including videos, captions, and analytics. For example, Jessica, a small business owner, requested her TikTok data 2 days before the shutdown and got a zip file with all her content. Lifesaver. Here is an actionable tip. Go to TikTok, greater than settings, greater than privacy, greater than download data. It takes 2 to 3 days, so do not wait until the last minute. Solution to back up your videos manually: save your favorite or high-performing videos directly to your device. For example, Tom, a fitness coach, manually downloaded his top 50 TikToks and repurposed them for Instagram Reels. It kept his followers engaged and his brand alive. Here is a pro tip. Think of this like packing for a move. Do not leave behind the good stuff. Like that viral cat dance you nailed last summer. Solution 3. Use a third-party app for bulk download. Apps like 4K Talkit or Snaptic let you batch download videos, captions, and even comments. For example, Linda used Snaptic to download 300 videos in one night. Her content stayed intact, watermark-free, and ready to repost. Here is pro tip: choose tools carefully. Stick to trusted ones to avoid losing data or compromising security. Section 2. Choosing a new platform. The problem: losing TikTok means losing your audience, right? Wrong. It is time to move your community to a new home. The solution: Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels is a natural transition, offering a similar short-form video format with a massive user base. For example, Samantha shifted her beauty tutorials to Reels, where her audience grew by 30% in 2 months. Here is a pro tip. Think of Instagram Reels as TikTok's older, more polished sibling. Same vibes, fewer quirks. Solution: to YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts combines the power of short videos with YouTube's discoverability and monetization tools. For example, Chris, a chef, repurposed his cooking TikToks for Shorts. His YouTube channel exploded with subscribers. Here is a pro tip: use Shorts to funnel viewers into longer content, building deeper connections. Solution 3. Emerging platforms, for example, Triller, Clapper. Explore newer platforms where competition is lower and there is room to stand out. For example, Jen switched to Triller and became a fitness influencer, pioneer, building a loyal following. Here is a pro tip: trying a new platform is like switching coffee shops, different vibe, same caffeine kick. Section 3. Adapting your business strategy for 2025. The problem: how do you rebuild your TikTok momentum and maintain your business growth? The solution: focus on building an email list. Direct your followers to a mailing list to stay connected regardless of platform changes. For example, Maria created a free ebook on makeup tips, capturing 10,000 emails from her TikTok followers before the shutdown. Here is a pro tip. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to create automated, engaging email campaigns. Solution: to repurpose content across platforms. One video, multiple platforms maximize reach by sharing the same content everywhere. For example, Jake repurposed his TikToks for Pinterest, LinkedIn, and YouTube. His reach expanded beyond his TikTok audience. Here is a pro tip. Your content deserves to be the Beyoncé of the internet, seen everywhere, all the time. Solution 3: invest in SEO and long-form content. Combine short videos with blog posts, YouTube tutorials, or podcasts to establish authority. For example, Emma used her top-performing TikToks as inspiration for blog posts, which drove traffic to her website. Here is a pro tip. Think long-term. Short videos are great, but evergreen content is king. Section 4: staying positive and embracing change. The problem: change is scary, and losing a platform feels like starting over. The solution: see it as an opportunity. This is your chance to diversify and grow your brand in new ways. For example, after TikTok, Rachel expanded to podcasting, which brought her a whole new audience. Here is a pro tip. When one app closes, another one slides into your DMS with opportunity. Solution: to leverage your community. Encourage your followers to join you on your new platform. For example, Dan posted a farewell video with links to his YouTube and Instagram, and 80% of his audience followed him. Solution 3: focus on your why. Remember why you started your business and let that guide you through this transition. For example, Nick's mission to help small businesses stayed the same, even as his platforms changed. Here is pro tip: stay authentic. Your audience follows you for you, not just the platform. Your call to action. Imagine yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background. This is not the end of your TikTok business, just a detour. Click on the link in the description below to get started down the new path for your TikTok business. So, TikTok may be shutting down, but your business does not have to. Save your content, embrace new platforms, and adapt your strategy to thrive in 2025. If you are feeling overwhelmed, do not worry, I have got your back. Join my coaching program for personalized guidance, or grab my free guide to mastering Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs to pivot their TikTok business. Let's turn this challenge into your biggest comeback yet. See you in the next video.